Dreaming of value? Andrew, where can you get a 2-bedroom with a stunning windowed kitchen and bath under $1 million in prime location on the Upper West Side?
The only one I've seen in 2021 is this. And it has a bonus oversized 15-foot dining area to entertain to your heart's content.
Yeah, but does the building have any services?
Actually, it does have a live-in super, a part-time doorman, and a beautiful common garden.
There's bike storage and a massive 24/7 laundry room too. You can put a washer dryer in the unit as long as it's wet over wet with board approval.
Don't forget, it has excellent financials, is pied-à-terre and pet-friendly too. Should we tell them where the unicorn is?
316 West 84th Street is located on a serene residential block between Riverside Park and West End Avenue, right near the Hudson River Bike Trail, Zabar's, Citarella, and more.
Residence 2G has an oversized dining entry area with lovely wainscoting. It's great for entertaining. Don't you love the French doors? Nice separation of space into this great living room. Hi. Don't you love a great kitchen? Granite countertops, stainless appliances, mosaic backsplash, wonderful wood cabinetry. What more do you need?
There are views towards brownstone gardens below, and you can see the sky above. Isn't this a beautifully renovated bathroom with a soaking tub and a window?
Don't forget to bring the furniture. Corner primary bedroom with custom closets.
Look at this oversized second bedroom. It has custom closets and plenty of room for your guests. It has wood floors and pre-war details throughout.
If you'd like a private viewing of this wonderful apartment, please reach out to us.
We're at Brown Harris Stevens.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz, and we're at 316 West 84th Street.
Apartment 2G.